How to change my Cameo selfie on my Snapchat. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open Snapchat. Then when Snapchat guys it's opening, you go here on your profile and click. Then go to settings and click. Then go to Cameos here and click. Then click change my Cameo selfie. Then it will told you to center your face on this, but I don't want to use my face. I will just camera roll, and I would choose a selfie, for example this, and then I would choose the body. I choose this, then I will click continue, and now it's creating my Cameos selfie, and now it's changing. That's it guys. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.